Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Farsana Hasni. Today I will demonstrate my mobile application called ElectriSave, a smart electricity bill estimator for Android. So now I will start the recording first. So when you open the apps, you will see a splash screen with a ElectriSave logo, app name, tagline and a loading spinner. After a few seconds, the main calculator pages will open. So this is the main page of ElectriSave. It has a clean aesthetic design with a new brown color. The page includes a month selection drop-down, a unique input kilowatt hours, a rebate percentage, calculate button, history button and about button. First, I need to select the billing month. I tap on the month field. It will show from January to December, which is 12 months. Next, I will enter the kilowatt per hour. Then I enter the rebate percentage. You can also leave the rebate field empty if there is no rebate. The app also handles error properly. If I try to enter 0 kilowatt or more than 1000 kilowatt, the app will show an error message. Like example, I will type 1500 and then the rebate is 5. And I try to calculate and then the error message will appears on the screen. Now let me clear all this and I type properly for calculate the amount. Now I will tap the calculate button. A beautiful pop-up dialog appears showing a total charges of 231 ringgit 80 cent and after rebate is 224 ringgit and 85 cent. The calculation based on a TNB electricity rates, the first 200 kilowatt hour at 21 ringgit 80 cent per kilowatt hour and the next 100 kilowatt hour is 33 and 40 cent and the next 300 kilowatt hour is 51 and 60 cent and above to 600 kilowatt hour is 54 ringgit and 60 cent. Inside the pop-up button, there is two buttons which is save and also close. I tap the save button to store the record in the local database. A toast message appears saying a data saved successfully. To view all saved records, I tap the history button and this opens the bill history pages. Each record is displayed in a separate aesthetic card showing the months and final costs. Here you can see my saved record which is April and 224.85 cent. When I open the any record, a floating details dialog will appear with the full information. It shows the month which is April and unique user, total charges and also rebate percentage and the last one is the final cost which is 224 and 85 cents. At the bottom there's a 3 button which is edit, delete and also close button. I tap the edit button to modify the record. The edit bill page opens. I can change the month's unit or rebate. So let me change the rebate from 3% to 5% and click the update and the data will successfully updated. I selected delete and it will pop up delete record. Are you sure you want to delete this record? And then I say yes, it will delete successfully. Now I will show you about the page. So you have to click here and then this is the about main page. This page contains my profile picture, my names which is Farsana Hasni, my student ID and also my course ICT602 Mobile Technology and Development. And a how to use button and also a view on GitHub button and a copyright statement. So if I tap the how to use button, the how to use button pages provide a detailed instruction on each step, electricity rates and also tips for using the app effectively. So I go back and then I click on a view on GitHub button. It's my GitHub repository where the complete source code is stored. In conclusion, ElectriSave provides an accurate electricity bill calculation based on TNB rates, local database storage using SQLite, complete create, read, update and delete operations, error handling and validation, and also aesthetic user-friendly interface. This app fulfills all the requirements of the ICT602 mobile application assignment. Thank you for watching.